You must have had vegetables fresher than that, Greg, growing up on a farm.
Dad, Greg grew up in Detroit.
Oh, do they have many farms in Detroit? No, Jack, I need to clarify. We didn't actually grow up on a farm per se. We grew up in a colonial house that was early Dutch colonial. You know, plus we had a lot of pets. Which one did you ever milk then?
Dad.
Honey, he said he pumped milk.
What have you ever milked?
A cat? You want to hear a story? Sure. My sister had a cat, and this cat birthed a litter of kittens. There must have been 30 of them. And there was this little sweet little engine of a thing that just, you know, it couldn't really get access to the teat. Teat?
Dad.
What have you. So I went in there and, you know, I just little saucer, and I fed it to him. To little Geppetto. That's what I called him. Geppetto. Yeah. I had no idea you could milk a cat. Oh yeah, you can pretty much milk anything with nipples. I have nipples, Greg. Could you milk me?
Could we change the subject?
I've got nipples. Can you milk me?